Hello, it's the Avid Picker 1, back again with a dimple lock. It's a Kenaurd pin and pin dimple lock, 5-pin. Got it from a trade with PickME 1977, and it looks as if it was made into a challenge lock by Trekmaster30. Better than stock. So we will get it in the vise, get it picked, make sure the key works. Oh, okay, there it goes. Okay, now if you look, it only will turn that far in my vise, so after I pick it, I will keep it in frame, pull it out of the vise, and rotate the plug completely. But here's the bitting on it. There we go. So we got low, high, low. Good bitting. Okay, let's see what Trekmaster30 put into this lock. Zoom in, and we'll get it picked. Okay, let's start with, now this does have inner and outer pins as Q pins, so I'm going to use a curved flag from the Spooks kit to get those outer pins, and then I'll change picks and get those inner pins after we get that really deep false set that we're looking for, which, you know, almost always indicates that you've got all the pins, or all the outer pins picked. Let's see here. A little counter rotation on 4, a little bit on 5. I'm getting counter off everything. Okay, set number 1, 2, okay, there we go. That's our deep false set, and now I'm going to change picks, and we are going to finish this baby off with those inner pins. Got a little deeper there, little deeper there, false set. And we picked. Okay. Now, I'm going to zoom out and keep it in frame and show you that it is picked. There we go. Okay, now, let me just sit this down, get my vise out of the way, get my pinning tray up here. Let's see. Go ahead and roll this back up. I love this pick roll, by the way. This Spooks kit is just amazing. But for the money, I don't know if it's the best, but it's certainly pricey. And I've already broken 2 of the picks, so that's what you get when you have finished picks, though. I mean, I've had some break from other kits too, so. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lock it back up and get my screwdriver. Get this off here. This thing is a fun pick. I haven't gutted it yet, so I'm not sure what's inside from Trekmaster30, but We will see. Okay. Let me use the key to get it out. Okay, actually I'm gonna go this way just a little bit. Okay. Now, actually I'm gonna shim it because I'm not sure exactly what's in here. So, like with all challenge locks, we shim them. Wow, there's definitely something in there. Okay, well, alright, and oh crap. Okay, there we go. I had a mistake there, I think. Okay, now let's look at these things. Here, look at these. Make sure that they work. I'm trying to get focus. Come on, baby. Ah, shit. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now, well, trying to get focus going. Sorry, just bear with me. I'm still pretty new at this. Anywho, you can see that they're all working, inner and outer, and it is 5 pins. There we go, focused. Now you can see they're all in there and they're all working. Alright, let's just pan down a little, and I'm going to dump all the pins and arrange them, and then I'll do a close-up on them. 2, 3, 4. Well, there's 5. There's 4. Okay, we'll look at the plug in a minute. Let me just get these arranged here. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go. I was wondering why there was a open slot, but had it in the 6th slot. Okay. I'm pretty sure these are all standard. But I want you all to get a good look at it. Okay. Now I'm going to go upstairs and see what we got up there. See what kind of magic Trekmaster put in this thing. Okay. Oh, we got a spooled and serrated pin and pin. And yeah, these are those spring-loaded pins, like the multi-locks. And the spring. Okay. Number 2. Oh, crap. Hold on 1 second. Okay. That was easy to find. Okay, and it looks like we've got a spooled a little bit. Okay. Number 3. Number 3 looks standard. I think they're all the same springs too. But we will see. And a little serration there. I hope everybody's having a great day. Here it is a very pretty day. It was cold this morning, but it got really warm. It's up to like 70, 77. Okay. Now, got it all disassembled. And all the springs are the same. Okay, now, let's take a look at the core. And there is nothing done to the core. It's not been changed, and nothing in the Bible's been changed either. It's all standard. Okay, we're gonna do a close-up of the pins and let you see what old Trekmaster put in this thing. Well, not old Trekmaster, but the good old Trekmaster, I guess. Sorry guys, I'm still getting used to my new phone. Holder. Okay, now, looks like all the key pins are just standard pin and pin key pins. Let's see, that's where the pins go. Let me look here. No, nothing special there. Driver number 1 is a very nice spool with it serrated there, and it is spring loaded. That's a nice pin. Number 2 is it's got a little notch, I don't know, I guess a spool kinda, and it's spring loaded. Number 3 is standard, spring loaded too. Number 4 has a little spool effect too, and it's spring loaded. I guess you would call that a spool, or I don't know, maybe it's serrated. And number 5, we have another spool, and it is spring loaded. Alright, well, that about wraps it up. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Actually, please like, comment, and subscribe, because there will be much more. And be safe, and keep on picking.